This gem here behind me, set within the quiet Tall Timbers estate in Bomaderry, close to beautiful walking tracks at the Bomaderry Creek, also close to Nowra and Bomaderry CBD. 8 of 33 Lindburn Avenue, Bomaderry is a property that you must inspect. Let's go have a look. Large lounge room with gas bayonet point, kitchen dining combined, electric cooking, dishwasher, 3 bedrooms, all with built-in robes and air conditioning system, large bathroom, single garage with extra storage, fully fenced rear yard. So if you're looking to downsize, invest or potentially purchase your first property, 8 of 33 Lindburn Avenue here in Bomaderry certainly has that covered. For more information or to arrange an inspection, I'm Ashley from Integrity.